Six.
क्या बात है
10 रन चाहिए अभी और
Polat. ये ओवर गेम ओवर.
टीवी कराएगा ड्रोन के लिए भी वैसे तो अच्छा नहीं है ना सर हम तो ऐसा होगा रेडियो क्यों नहीं दिया लेकिन हम नहीं चाहिए तो सर
Thank you, Pynlong. There's a contribution made from the family side of WR Nongspung towards the prize for this tournament. Very good ball by Kamal Lama. Clears up at 14 runs for the loss of 1 wicket. Okay, so sir is also part of the team. Congratulations, sir.
Kundang akalas dan fiumta sidang bo sidang mabe mulai nan ada keburam sepikum kinapiya kini kan kengkikun lalu air semua kumang kadar i pila ile bahasa pila ile bahaya ini kelada kundang seperti sidang bo sidang mabe mungkin istilah bahasa kiri President, if he started off the wedding, I could lay a pig, waiting a good cool and the job. And he trade the comes with her.
First of all, I would like to congratulate SP's Khasi Hills to initiate this tournament. Though it's a very small gesture, but still all good things start with a small gesture. I'm told he lost his life way back in 2001 during an operation with one of the militant groups. It must have been a very painful 25 years for the family, and at the same time 25 years of immense pride, professional pride for us, because we also are part of the same force which has fought gallantly all over these years in all parts of the state. From my side, I would like to contribute a running trophy, a winner trophy, so that this tournament gets organized every year and the trophy keeps running from one year to other year and be placed at a place maybe befitting to the stature and the honor of the martyr, maybe in police reserve or SP office. The district can take a call, but I would like to contribute that running trophy. Napoleon Bonaparte once said, "It is the cause, not the death, which makes a martyr." So Mr. W.R. Nongspung lost his life for a cause. And today, by playing cricket, this tournament, you are in a way furthering that cause. The kind of camaraderie, the brotherhood, the informal relationships between various thanas and units of East Khasi, and I'm very sure some other units also participated which are not part of the DEF. So that camaraderie and brotherhood, it's very important to further that cause for which the martyr sacrificed his life 25 years back. Many congratulations to not only both the finalist teams but all the 14 teams who participated in the tournament. And I would further request the district SP to not only cricket, extend these tournaments to other sports also. Meghalaya is lucky to have a sports culture, music culture. So you can plan many more events and tournaments on similar lines. Because we do a stressful job day in, day out, 24/7. Sometimes we forget to smile, to laugh, to have a light moment with our colleagues. We are so much in tension and all kinds of pressure that we sometimes forget how to live. So these tournaments are very important to bring our lives back. And obviously, if you are happy here, that will reflect on your family life, your children, your wife, your parents, everywhere. So congratulations to both the teams, especially the winners. Hard luck, Police Reserve, though I was supporting you. You lost because of your own mistakes. And the mad guy, this morning star Khongwir, he is now afternoon star also. So congratulations and thank you so much.
Memorial tournament, cricket tournaments that we've had on behalf of our martyr, one-star Roy Nongspung, who lost his life in 2001. He was a hero. He was part of the special operation team and died in an encounter in 2001. Today, amongst us, we have people from the Thana, people from the reserve, people from the special operation team, and we all thought that the tournament should be named in the name of our martyr, one-star Roy Nongspung. And in this honor, we will continue this tournament. So we would like you to be with us for the next running tournaments also for football and volleyball. Since this brings about, what I've seen is brings about a lot of camaraderie amongst us. I can see the bonding just among the SP office team with our additional SP traffic and all our boys. There is no more rank anymore. There's just brethren, there's brotherhood, there's bonding. And it's nice to see that everybody is here actually. I'm slightly worried about the city and the traffic right now because everybody seems to be here and totally have enjoyed this exhilarating match. I'd like to express my gratitude to Srimati Tusimai Nongspung, mother of one-star Roy, who is here with her son also and other family members. Thank you for gracing this occasion. Your son didn't die in vain, and his memory will always remain etched in our hearts. He loved the regiment, but as you saw more, if he Ikibahi Masem, Ikimej was the Roy, Nongspung, but Kibahi Masem, but not when even book at a Mau, Ye Hakani Aporu, but Kajia Ki Kapishu, Leno A, but in Yakamawi, like a Porsche. But can you go to the room? You book a puggy, but not the Maui. Two brave and with that party happening.